Good evening. Today, 10th day, second question in exercise 8.2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇందులో 2 sin 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 2 tan 30 వాల్యూ 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 30 value 1 by root 3 whole square ఉంది కాబట్టి this is whole square that equals to 2 into 1 2 by root 3 by here 1 plus 1 square means 1 root 3 whole square means 3. Next that equals to 2 by root 3. This is the numerator, this is the denominator, by LCM is 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4 by 3, that equals to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, 2 ones 2 twos, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Okay, next 3 we can write okay, next step I will write that. So 2 by root 3 means here 2 already cancelled, 3 I will write root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into 2. Okay, root 3 will cancel, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 where we will get in these options is sin 60. What is sin 60 value? Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Okay na? Cos 60 value 1 by 2. Tan 60 value root 3. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So which option is correct? Root 3 by 2 is the correct option. So this is the correct option. Okay na? Sin 60 is the correct option. Okay, second question. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Okay, 1 minus tan 45 value 1, so 1 square by 1 plus tan square 45, and tan 45 value 1, here also 1 square, that equals to 1 minus 1 square means 1 by 1 plus 1 square means 1, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, so 0 by 2, 0 by 2 means 0. So which is correct? Option D is the correct. Okay, next third question. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a is true when a equals to, అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ sin 2a వాల్యూ 2 sin a కి ఎప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఏమి, ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ 0 అయితే ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందా, 30 అయితే ఈక్వలా, 45 అయితే ఈక్వలా, 60 అయితే ఈక్వలా అంటున్నాడు.